LLM. Next one is Llama, LLAMA. Llama is from Facebook, Meta company. It is open source and even for commercial license also free. Llama 2 is one of the famous open source LLM. Okay, this is another LLM where we are going to see how to fine tune Llama 2 today. Also, BET. Next LLM is BET. Bidirectional encoding representations transformer. Bidirectional encoding representations transformer. How many of you joined from your laptops? Please raise your hand. How many of you joined from your laptops? Please raise your hand. Let's do it simultaneously. Only one. Two. Only two. What about others? From mobile phone? Prefer joining from laptop so that you can do some programs simultaneously. Okay, some people messaged in chat. Yeah, please join from your laptop also so that we can do some, I'll share some Google Colab links. We can practice things simultaneously. Okay, perfect. Many join from laptop. Okay, good. So what's the full form of BET? Bidirectional encoding representations transformer. Another one is cloud, CLAUD. CLAUD, cloud AI. This is also one of the examples of LLM. You can use similar to ChatGPT. You can query, we can ask the things. But fine-tuning LLMs, every LLM will not allow you to fine-tune it. Only few LLMs only will allow you to do it. For example, if you take ChatGPT, today V4 is there, 4V, V for vision. Today, V4 is there. But you cannot directly fine-tune it. Okay. Open chatbots.openai. Search with the word called chatbots.openai. Chatbots OpenAI, where you can fine-tune you can create your own chatbots with the help of this one. But the issue is for every query you have to pay to OpenAI. For example, if you fine-tune GPT-4 or any versions of GPT, which is closed source, for every query, you have to pay them some amount. For every tokens they generate, you have to pay amount. If you want the things for free of cost or for less price, you can go ahead with fine-tuning LLMs like Llama, LLAMA2. This is from Meta company. We'll see how to fine-tune this Llama 2 BET in few minutes. So let me share few more LLMs examples. Another example for LLM is H2O. This is open source H2O AI. This is another open source LLM. Another LLM is Falcon. Falcon. Here B means billion. 180 billion parameters. This particular model got trained with 180 billion parameters. If you want to work on just Google Colab, you have to go with less billion parameters one, like 7 billion parameters or 13 billion parameters. Even for Meta also is having multiple things like 7 to 70 billion parameters. You can notice here. In future, they will release 120 billion parameters, 240 also. This ChatGPT V4, it got trained under 500 billion parameters. 500 billion parameters. GPT 3.5, 175 billion parameters. This Llama 2 is 70 billion, from 7 billion parameters to 70 billion parameters. Multiple editions are there, multiple versions are there. So you can choose based upon your RAM size and the purpose of it. Another one is there. Another kind of one is Anthropy is also there. Let me share a small example. Just go to the website called huggingface.co/chart. Huggingface.co/chart. Mistral is another LLM, Mistral. If you want to see, how many of you want to see the top LLMs? Please raise your hand. How many of you want to know the top LLMs? Where we can see all these top LLMs? Please raise your hand if you wish to see the top LLMs. Only two. Okay. See here. If you wish to see the top LLMs, just go to the website called same Hugging Face. They check with they check with the top performance. Open LLM leaderboard. Search with the word called Open LLM leaderboard. Let me repeat, all LLMs will not allow you to fine tune it. Okay. What is fine tuning? We are going to add additional knowledge that particular LLM already got trained with a lot of data. We are going to add some additional knowledge. That way is called as fine tuning. One more thing is there, RAG. If time permits, we'll discuss what it is. But as on today, let us stick to fine tuning. If you scroll down, you can notice the top LLMs here. See here. These are various LLMs you can play with. Almost for every LLM, there is a word called 70B, 72B, 7B, 8B. Things are there, right? B means billion parameter. B for billion. Let us check whether this particular LLM will allow us to fine tune or not. Last month already 1400 members already downloaded this. We fine tune the existing model. Okay. Maybe this model will not allow us to fine tune it further. Only we have to use it. That's it. Another model is there. If you want to see the list of models, just come to huggingface.co/models. The list of models. Left side, you can see the purpose of various models. For example, if you want a few models for question answering, just select this particular thing. Just select that particular option, question answering. These are the models where you can post some context. You can ask questions. It is going to generate answers for you. Let me repeat. If you want to see the list of models, just go to huggingface.co/models. Select your use case. What kind of model you want to explore. Every second, a new model is adding to this particular library. Every second, a new model is coming. As on today, 5,83,000 models are there. Maybe by next day, this time, additional 1,400 more models will be there. Thousands of models will be added. Okay. So what we have to do? Based upon the use case, for example, if you want to do summarization task, how to play with it? Just click on summarization. You will get the list of models which are specially made for summarization. Facebook Bart is there. Let us go ahead, play with this. Facebook Bart. I'll show small example, then we'll see how to fine tune it. Okay. Let me show you a small example. Facebook Bart. Bart is different. Bart is different. Bet is different. Bet we'll see in few minutes. Right now we are playing with Bart from Facebook. Okay. Just open your Colab. In your model, you can see using transformers. Just click on this. Copy this. Take a new one. Take a new notebook. Paste the required libraries text. We have to import few specific libraries. Just run this. Links directly huggingface.co/models, sir. Srinivas, sir. Huggingface.co/models. Okay, I'm placing. Yeah. We're just importing specific libraries. Just let's wait for a few seconds. Required library will be imported. It may take 1 more minute. Let's wait for 1 more minute. How many of you working on summarization models? Is there anyone within our team who is working on summarization models? Yes. Importing required libraries done. Okay, we just imported Facebook library, which is fantastic for summarization. Okay. Now scroll down. Here is the code. Here is the code. Let me copy this, taking a new cell, pasting here. So here is the full text, large article. Large article is there. This particular article will be sent to our summarization model. This will be sent to our summarization model. And we are going to print the summary of this particular article within 130 words. Minimum length is 30, maximum length is 130. I am just running it. Let us see the output. If you have any text, please post in our chat box. Let's post the summary of that particular article. You can summarize PDFs. You can summarize 10,000 pages also based upon the RAM size, because since Colab free version will give us only 12 GB RAM, we cannot do everything here. If you go with Google Colab Pro, you can get 64 GB RAM. 64 GB RAM you can do. I'm trying to do simultaneously. Okay. Chandrasekhar sir, let's do one thing. Just open. How many of you are doing simultaneously? Please raise your hand. If at least 20 members do it simultaneously, I'll go a little slow. How many of you are doing simultaneously? Only 3. Please open your laptop. Let's do it simultaneously. I'm posting the link in our chat box. I'll show you 3-4 examples of summarizing BET, summarizing GPT, summarizing classification examples. We'll see. Only 6 people. Others also, please open your laptop. Yeah, open your laptop. Open this link. BART, large CNN. You can unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself. We have that option. So what you can do is just let me know once you are done.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, madam.
Sir, I have a doubt here. Recently in Tejas, in our project, this like students have done a project which was text summarization, but
Okay.
it was a speech to text. Like if somebody speaks over, it tried to give us the summary of that particular text. Was it with the same one,
Yeah,
similar one?
same one we can do it. Yeah. First, we have to
Oh,
add 2 things. For example, if
okay,
you want to make speech to text, you can use
okay,
Google related voice to text models. Voice to text,
okay,
Google is number one.
okay. Okay.
These days,
I
OpenAI is
have
also.
one more doubt, sir. I have one
Yeah,
more
let me
doubt.
clarify the first one, madam. Let me clarify the
Sir.
first one.
Yes, yes, yes.
If you want to make such type of models, the first thing what you have to do is you can use a Google library where voice to text is available. Second one is OpenAI is coming with one particular model called Whisper API. Whisper API is one of the best things. It can speak most of the worldly languages, almost all our natural languages it can understand. All slangs
Okay,
also it can understand.
okay,
So this is another one. You can use the API of Whisper. If
okay,
time permits, we can see. Yeah, this is a simple way. Uh,
okay,
just send the audio, recorded audio, you'll get in text. You can give it
okay,
right today itself. You have to pass API, you'll get it.
okay, okay.
So this is first one. Second one is once they generate the text, they will pass to this Facebook summarizer model. You will get the summary. You can read it. Yes. Now your second question. We'll take all the questions at last at 10:45.
So one
We'll
last
take the
question.
questions. Yes, ma'am.
Nothing much, sir. When we are trying this one, sometimes it is troubling us. Like when we are doing this text summarization, sometimes it is troubling us in taking the text to speech and speech to text. Why that actually comes?
Maybe I don't know which model you are using. Facebook Bart is working good. Facebook Bart I use
Okay,
multiple
okay,
times. This is
okay.
good.
We'll try
You can
this
give it a
one.
try.
Okay,
You can try right now.
okay.
We'll get the
Okay,
output. Just copy some
okay,
text from Wikipedia
okay,
pages. Just post
okay,
summary within 100 words. Give it a
okay,
try now.
okay,
We'll
sir. Okay,
extend this for 3 more minutes.
okay.
I'll wait
Thank
for
you, sir.
3 more minutes. I want everyone to complete this particular
Okay,
concept,
okay,
summarizing Facebook.
okay.
Yes. Once you're done, just open links and same thing. Asma, please check this particular thing. But large. Okay, I'm repeating for the second time. Do it simultaneously. Just open this link. Okay. Then first thing what you have to do is you have to import the required libraries. Click on using transformers. Select the first cell. Copy this cell. Okay. The same model can do n number of things. For example, if pipeline is summarization, it summarizes the article. If pipeline is text generation, it can generate the text. If pipeline is something else, what are the something else pipelines? If you come to Hugging Face, come to models, you can see what are the other pipelines are available. Let me show you. If you go to home page, /models, various pipelines are available, like question answering is also available. See here, left side. Text classification also available. These are the different pipelines. You can play with it. Fill mass model is available. Fill mass means it's going to fill appropriate word. For example, let me select fill mass. Okay, first let's finish this BART. How many have I done this BART?
Sir, after copying, where have to paste, sir?
Yeah, in Colab. Open Colab, take a new notebook. Open Colab, take a new notebook. Paste in the first cell. Paste in the first cell. In second cell, for the second cell content, just scroll down the same model. Here you can see the how to call that particular model. Here you can see. Just paste it in the second cell. Now, what you have to do is just change the article. This content you can change. Copy some additional content from Wikipedia page or just open any profile, someone's profile, just post here. Make sure it is little large article, okay? Then change these things like minimum how many words you want, maximum how many words you want. Post it, just print the article. How many of you done? Please respond in the chat box. How many of you completed this task? First one.
Sir, in the first cell, we pasted the pipeline which you have said from the transformers.
Yeah,
And the
run that cell. Run that
second,
cell.
we have to press enter and there.
You have to execute that cell, madam.
Okay, we have to run it. Okay.
Execute the libraries. Import the libraries first. It takes 1 minute to import required libraries.
Sir, import libraries is where is the option, sir, again?
What it is saying? What's the issue?
No, sir, I just pasted in the cell whatever you said, the first point.
Yes, run that cell.
After.
Yeah, just run that cell. That's it.
Okay, sir. I'll be waiting.
Then please do respond in the chat box. After completing the task, just copy the second cell content also. Just copy the second cell content, paste here, change the article, check the summary. Those who are done, please do respond to the chat box. If at least 6 or 7 members completed that task, we'll go to the next model. This is also a large language model, but we are not fine-tuning it. We'll come to fine-tuning part in a few minutes. Okay, only one done.
The same thing we can see on our screen also, like this all filled configuration 100% everything. After that,
Paste the second cell, run the cell.
okay, the same place, sir.
Second cell, take new code.
Okay. There, what we have to paste, sir?
Scroll down to this bar. Scroll down here. You can see how to use documentation. Copy this, paste in the second cell.
Sir, how to use is not showing in the same page, no, sir?
Same page in bar, Facebook, scroll down. You can see the documentation, how to use it.
Yes,
Just copy the code.
Okay.
Paste here.
Complete summarizer, sir. Complete
Yeah,
article.
complete code. Yes, complete code. Last line, you can comment it. Last line is unnecessary. You can comment it. After print, there is additional content is there. You can comment it or you can remove it.
Copy in the second. Test it, sir.
Okay, done. How about others? Is it done for others also? Okay, Chandrasekhar done.
It's saying syntax error, sir. Syntax error.
Yeah,
Incomplete input.
Which line?
Line 1.
Read it. Are you sure you just pasted the exact content?
Yeah,
Or you
article
pasted
is
something
equal
else?
to New York CNN. When Liana was 23 years old, she got married.
No,
That is
you might have done some mistake.
This is what, sir. In your page also, I can see article is equal to. From there, I have copied.
One
You need to
second.
comment the last line, madam. Otherwise, it
Share your screen once.
1 minute.
Yeah, let's be quick, madam. We have to see around 4 or 5 things. Still, we are in the first one. Let's be quick. Yes, be quick, madam. Share the screen. Yeah, you just posted only string. That's it. You didn't copy the complete text. Delete it completely. Delete the complete second cell. Delete it. Yes. Come back to previous page. Scroll up. Up. There you can see one copy button. Scroll down. Yeah, you can see the copy button. Copy that. You missed some import statements. Now go to second cell. Paste it. See, summarizer equal to pipeline. Wait. Last line you have to comment it. Last line. You have to comment it or you have to remove the last line. Remove the last line or comment it. Yes, comment that. Yes, comment that. Hash. No. Don't remove that length. Add T. Yes. Come to next line. Just add hash before. Add hash before that line. Delete. Click delete button. Done. Run it now. Yes, done. Run it. Run, madam. Execute it. Okay, that's all. You can do this summarization part. We'll see the next model. a simple mask fill model. For example, dash is the capital of India, which is the appropriate word. In the dash, what is the appropriate word? Post in the chat box. Dash is the capital of India. Yes, you can stop sharing your screen, madam, now. We got the output. Dash is the capital of India. Okay, you got that particular word, fine. Next one, Delhi is dash of India. Delhi is dash of India. What's the appropriate word in the dash? That comes under, yes, we can say capital or is part of India or a city of India. There are plenty of things someone can use it. Okay, it need not to be capital every time. Delhi is part of India. Delhi is famous city of India. It can be like that also. So we are going to see mask filling now. Mask filling. Come to data sets, sorry, come to models. Last 2 or 3 we are going to see. We already saw one. Next one is fill mask. Come here. There are plenty of models are available. It will guess the next best word. Okay, best suitable word. Selecting bet. Select this. How to use it? Using transformers. You can copy this code. I'm opening Colab. Let me go with new notebook. Ratio. Run the cell. Now scroll down. You'll see the usage. You can see the usage here. You can post this one, or you can use this one. Let's try with this. Yes, see here. Hello, I'm a mask model. If you run this, whatever link I'm posting, Google BERT, BERT. One model can do n number of activities, n number of tasks it can do. One task is summarization. Another task is fill mask. Another task is question modeling. Okay. See here, I just imported the first library, imported required library, fill mask pipeline. Same BERT is available here. BERT. Here, I'm just posting. Now, whatever the appropriate word here, that will be displayed now. Posting. Wait for a few seconds. Yes, we got the output. In this mask, the appropriate words are fashion, role. Hi, I'm a role model. Hello, I'm a new model. New is also appropriate word. I'm a super model. I'm a fine model. Got it? It will fill the appropriate words. Fill in the blanks like. Let us try with another one. This mask is important. Okay. What shall we mention? Just post something in the text box. Delhi is a dash of India. Okay, let's try that one. Delhi is of India. I'm running this. Let us check the output. Yes, you can notice Delhi is capital of India. We got it. Delhi is state of India. Delhi is part of India. Delhi is city of India. Delhi is Republic of India. You ask something else. Let us test. Don't test it in brilliance way. If you mention Chennai, for Chennai also it may come, Chennai is capital of India. It may come like that also. So we should not check the intelligence of this bot. It is just a fill mask model. It is only fill mask model. It is going to suggest us the best word which is appropriate to place in this particular place value. Okay. Post something in the chat box. Let us test. Otherwise, you can unmute yourself and you can say something. Let us test the model. Ravi is a dash person. Okay. Ravi is dash person. Okay. Let us check the appropriate words. Ravi is a person. Ravi is that person. Ravi is the person. Ravi is the one person. Ravi is this person. These are the appropriate words. One more, last one more sentence. Post in the chat box. Be quick, please. I am A. Okay. I am A. Shall I add person, Chandrasekhar sir? Or just shall I leave that like that? Chandrasekhar sir. Shall I add person also here?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm a masked person. Let us see. Let us see. I'm a good person. I'm a bad person. I'm a crazy person. I'm a nice person. I'm a normal person. These are the appropriate words. So based upon the pipeline, you have to select the models. Based upon the pipeline, you have to select the models. Now coming to last but one model. Okay. Two more things I'll show you today. Okay. Last but one is coming to models. How to fine tune. Now we are coming to the actual part. How to fine tune the models. Now let us see what is this understand score. We'll discuss with us, sir. We'll discuss all the questions in within 10 minutes. I'll complete my talk. Then last 10 minutes at 10:50 we'll start Q&A. Now my target is I want to fine tune BET. Then I will ask some questions. It should respond to me. For that I'm going to select. Question answering. Question answering. Select your favorite model. My favorite model in this list is BET. BET. Bidirectional encoding representations transformer. RowBET is also the subvariant of BET. RowBET, AllBET. Subvariants of BETs are available. Distill BET. These are subvariants of BET models only. Let me try with this. Fine tuning BET. Let me copy paste this URL in our chat box. Yes, open this. Run the first cell. Open the link which I posted in the chat box. Open the link, run the first cell. Now the pipeline is question answering. Question answering is a pipeline. How many of you done? Raise your hands. Only one. Open the link which I just posted a few seconds back. 2, 3, 4. Others also just open the link. Run the first cell. Okay. Now see how I'm going to fine tune it. I'm going to fine tune a text here. I'm just training about Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was an Indian independence activist. I'm also mentioning Sai Satish is Gandhi's best friend. Whatever we train, this particular BET will learn it. And whatever you ask, it's going to respond to you. Let us take one of your names. Just tell me one of your names. I need one volunteer. Who wish to be volunteer?
Asma.
Asma. Okay. Asma, introduce yourself.
So this is Asma. I'm working in CSE department as the assistant professor in the Anurag University.
Okay. Asma is good faculty. Shall I add like that?
Yes, sir.
Shall I mention good faculty or what shall I mention?
You can mention, sir.
Okay. So we're just adding Asma is good faculty. Now we can ask the bot. Now we can ask who is good faculty. Initially, we are fine tuning the text here so that our model will learn something. Our model will learn something. And if you ask the question based upon the context, it's going to respond to us. We just asked who is good faculty. We got the response, Asma. Next question, what we asked was, what is the other name of Mahatma Gandhi? What is Mahatma Gandhi known for? And we got the response. A simple bet fine tuning. A simple bet fine tuning. You can pass the context like this. Then you can ask the questions. You can ask the questions. You'll get the response like this. They're pre-trained models. For example, if I say something which you don't know, it can come up with a garbage answer also. For example, if I ask who is bad faculty, it may come up with garbage answers also. Okay. There are 3 words here. Sai Satish, Bapu, that is Mahatma Gandhi, and Asma. We haven't trained who is bad faculty. Who is bad faculty? We have not trained it. Let us check the response. Sometimes it gives garbage. So here good faculty is Asma, bad faculty is also Asma. If we remove, instead of bad faculty, if we ask good boy, let us see the response. Good boy. Asma is good boy, it seems. So you don't know, it can give the garbage answers also. So bet has some limitations. We can train up to 5,000 tokens. You can train up to 5,000 tokens only. Is there any noise from my side?
No,
Are you
sir.
getting any noise from my side?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So voice is clear, right? No background noise also.
No, sir.
Okay, perfect. So how many of you have done this task? Please raise your hands. Let me know in the chat box. How many of you have done this? Five. Out of 78, only 5 people are doing. Okay. Moving to the next concept, fine-tuning bet. Before we fine-tune, sorry, we already fine-tuning a bet is completed. Distill bet we tried. The next thing what you can give a try is GPT-2. GPT-2 is one of the best models for text generation. Best means at that time it was best in 2019 to 2020. It was okay models. They're great, but today they are not that much great. GPT-2 is not that much great today because we have GPT-4, which is state-of-art models. They are state-of-art models. See, this one you can give a try, but this is okay model, not that much great model. Link to this core ad. Okay, I already posted, sir. Victor, sir, I already posted in our chat box. Let me post it again. Yes, I posted again in the chat box. Yes. See here, GPT-2. We are going to learn how to fine tune this GPT-2. If you want to fine tune, you have to prepare a data set. For example, last time what I did was I created Gita GPT. Gita GPT means it should respond like Lord Krishna. Based upon the questions we ask, it should respond like Lord Krishna. How to do it? Let me show you a sample data set which I have created. See, question answers I have created. Questions answer. If the question is like this, answer should be like this. If question is like this, answer should be like this. I prepared a data set. The same data set you can train most of the LLMs. Example, Llama, Falcon. Most of the LLMs you can fine tune with the similar kind of things. The only thing what you have to change is assistant. One is assistant, one is human. Human assistant, human assistant, human assistant, human assistant. You have to make like that in the text. For fine-tuning Llama 2, only the syntax will be different. The question answers will be same. Okay, only syntax will be different from other data sets. Let's fine-tune GPT-2. See how I'm going to fine-tune it. I'm taking GPT-2. Okay. I will fine-tuning. Yes, fine-tuning Gita. It takes 2 or 3 minutes. Remember, we're not fine-tuning GPT-4 or GPT-3. We're just fine-tuning GPT-2. Okay. Code I'll share. I'm sharing the code also. Yes. Required libraries will be imported, but data set I have to upload to our workspace. I'll share the data set also. Questions and valid data set. The data set is here. Questions and valid. I'll upload both the things in our group. Yes. 2 CSV files I have posted. One is valid, the other one is questions. The same question answers I just uploaded in this. Let me copy and paste this question answers also. Yes. Upload these two things in your file browser. Wait for a few more minutes. GPT-2 is getting downloaded. Let's wait for a few minutes. Then we'll start training and making a model. Hold on for a few minutes. It's going to collect the data set, question, answer like that. And model will be trained. Yes, model training is started. Let's wait for a few minutes. It takes 2 or 3 minutes to fine-tune the model. So what is fine-tuning? We are going to add additional knowledge to our existing model. Yes, fine-tuning started. We'll get a model in a few minutes. Let's wait for a few minutes. Last 10 minutes. You can ask your questions now. We'll start Q&A also. This is last but one program. Last program will be Llama 2. Yeah, you can unmute yourself and you can ask your questions now. Fine-tuning may take few more minutes. You can ask your questions now.
Sir, we are doing as you are suggesting the steps, no, sir. Any other thing or file which you will send us so that we can do the same process again, tuning and then running the code?
I didn't get your question, madam.
Sir,
Ask me.
actually, if you provide step by step things, sir, to execute, Here we are following, but further we can't take any data sets and all those things. No, sir. Can you provide one file to follow these all and do some examples?
There is no specific file for all the programs, madam. For different
Yeah.
things, you have to follow different. For example, if you want to play with Llama 2, this
Yeah.
question on answers should be replaced with assistant and human. The
Yes.
dataset pattern or the dataset syntax for Llama 2 is different. Okay. And dataset syntax for this Falcon is different. For different LLMs, different patterns are there. Okay, there is no specific single one is there for all the models. For Llama 2, different is there. For GPT-2, different is there.
Okay, sir. It means we have to follow the recorded session to practice one more time. That is only the
If
option.
you want to try with GPT-2, I already posted the link in our group. I already posted CSV files in our group. You can use that, madam.
Okay. Sir.
Did you start planning this model?
No, sir.
You can
Sir,
start planning
these
the model.
models are already been recorded now, sir. They will be sharing with us, sir, so that we can practice again and again, sir.
Okay. But instead of practicing on GPT-2, start working on Llama 2.
Gamma
Llama
2.
2 is, yeah, Llama 2 is right one.
Sir, you will be providing the material, no, sir?
Which material?
Okay, sir.
Which material you are looking for, madam?
So these worksheets,
Maybe faculty will provide, madam.
they ask for the collab links, sir.
Collab links I already posted in our chat box.
That is-
Yeah, collab links I already posted in our chat box. It may take 2 more minutes to complete this fine tuning. Let's wait.
Sir,
Then
excuse
we're
me,
going to
sir.
save the model. Yes, sir.
My name is Lakshmikant Reddy, Department of AI. So what is this Hugging Face and Llama? Is this the generative pre-trained models?
Yeah, they are pre-trained
what?
LLMs. Yeah, pre-trained LLMs.
LLMs.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So the Hugging Face is being used as the most prominent one, sir?
No, Hugging Face is a repository. Hugging Face is a repository of various models. If you go to
Okay,
Hugging
sir.
Face, there are around 5 lakh models.
Yeah. You
Where
shown,
you can
sir,
use it.
5,83,000.
5,80,000 models are there. You can use it. It's a repository of
Okay.
various models, and some documentation also you can find here. Data sets are also you
Okay,
can
sir.
find. Deployed models are
Okay,
also
sir.
you can find in spaces. These are some of the deployed
Okay, sir.
models.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
For example, if you take
So
one
Llama
model,
is also one
yeah,
large
Llama is
language
also,
model, sir.
yeah, that is from Meta company. That repository also you can find in Hugging Face.
Okay, sir.
sir,
Thank you, sir.
so one doubt.
Yes, madam. Welcome.
Can we get various CNN models like LANet and all from the same site, sir?
Your voice is not clear, madam.
Hello, sir, is it audible? Hello.
Yes, madam. Tell me.
Sir, regarding the models available, like LANet and all, that is basic CNN models, can we get from this site, sir?
Yeah, CNN models are also available in Hugging Face. If you go to models, left side, you can see computer vision. Yeah, see here. What's your purpose of the model? You want to detect objects in the image, or you want to make text to image or image to text model based upon your pipeline. You can select the respective models. For example, for object detection, separate models will be there. Yeah, see here. In computer vision, select the object detection. These are the models famous for object detections. YOLO V8, YOLO V9, ResNet models. N number of models are there. YOLO V9, this is good one. YOLO V9 is also good. They have recently launched it. ResNet. These are the models for computer vision and especially for object detection. For image classification, other models are there. Almost 11,000 models are there for image classification. See here. Clip will be there. OpenAI's Clip will be there. This is from Google. Almost 4.9 downloads here. 4.9 million downloads.
And
Just in
it's
last month,
purely
8 million
free
views.
also, sir. It's or any pro version we should get in. Or is there any
things-
kind of
Few things, pro versions are also will be there.
okay, sir.
But if pro versions are there, you have to buy them.
Okay.
Yes, I think fine tuning is done. Yes, fine tuning is completed. Fine tuning is completed. Now, can you see anywhere Bhagavad Gita here? It's not there, right? Not there, right? Now I'm saying the fine tune model. I'm saying the fine tune model. Within few seconds, you can see a word called fine tune Bhagavad Gita here. Yes, now I'm refreshing it. Now you can see fine tune Bhagavad Gita, and here is the model. Here is the model. Now you can ask questions. Let us ask some questions. Ask some question. A few questions I am already passing here. What is the purpose of life? What is yoga? How to deal with fake people? These 3 questions I'm posting here. Let us check the responses from our newly trained model. Wait for a few seconds. We are going to get response. Last 2 minutes. Ask your questions. Last 2 minutes.
Sir, as part of this fine tuning, we have trained the model with our own data sets, right? Apart from this, are we doing anything else?
You can train with your own custom based data sets, or you can train with existing data sets. For example, if you go to same Hugging Face, you can find some thousands of data sets which are already available. The most frequently asked questions or medical based questions. Just go to data sets here. You can find almost 1 lakh data sets are available. For example, if you go to squad model, the most this is Wikipedia model. If you wish to train your own Wikipedia model, you can train it. If you have data sets, you can fine tune it. Otherwise, you can download the existing data sets from same Hugging Face. Squad models are also available. Squad, SQUAD. Frequently asked questions, physics questions, math questions. But one point is this LLMs are not specially made for mathematics. LLMs are not specially made for mathematics. For mathematics LLMs, you have to follow different approach. They're good in English, physics, chemistry, but not yet good at mathematics. Yeah, this is PubMed. Medical question answers. Medical question and answers. Here is a question, and here will be the answer. See. Here is the question, here is the answer.
Sir, please post this also in the chat box, sir. Medical related questions, because nowadays most of the people are doing research using ML in
PubMed.
research field.
Okay, PubMed. Search with the word called PubMed. You'll get it. PubMed. Med GPT is there. Med GPT is there. Med Palm is there. Clinical Bet is there. Clinical Bet, specially designed for medical related stuff. Clinical Bet. Clinical Bet. This is specially designed for biomedical, medical related bet. This model already trained on medical related words. Medical related words. Next one is MedBet, MED, medical, DERT. MedBet. There are plenty of things are available. You can Med GPT is also there. Med GPT. This is MedBet. Med GPT. You can try them. Yes. Now we asked few questions to this bot and we got the response. What is yoga? Yoga is a form of yoga practice. It sometimes it gives garbage answer. Okay, we should not follow this because this is GPT-2. GPT-3 is good. 4 is good. GPT-2 is okay. Below average. Okay. So how to deal with fake people? As long as you don't take the things to your mind, you don't need to bother about the things. So these are the questions. And here are the answers. Same way, you can fine tune Llama. This one is for Llama. I'll post the link to you, but you need appropriate data set for it. Appropriate data set. See here, instruction, input, and chatbot output. Input, if user gives a kind of input like this, the output what we're expecting is this one. Input, if someone asks like this, output, what we're expecting from chatbot. Like this, we can fine tune it. I'm posting this also. This is one of the famous ways from Ashish Patel. One guy is there called Ashish Patel. He's collecting most of the top LLMs, fine tuning LLMs. So you'll get the output like this: instruction, input, output. So check fine tuning this Llama 2 also. Once you train the model, you can play with it. That's all from my side. Open for questions. Last, we'll take 1 or 2 questions. We'll close it. Is it also show the accuracy of the model in the data set? Yes. Once you complete the training, it will show you the result of the training. See here. Here is the output. Loss, how much loss? You can see here. Any questions? We cannot expect accuracy from GPT-2. Llama 2 is also okay. Better than many open source models, Llama 2. Yes. Any other question? Okay, thank you. Thank you very much for this opportunity to interact with you all. Thank you. Over to you, madam. Madam, over to you.
Yeah, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome, madam. Thank you.
I really thank Sai Satish sir for enlightening us with the concepts of LLMs. And from the Department of AI, sir, we would like to present you the certificate of appreciation.
Before winding up, sir, Sai sir, it was great having your session. We actually wanted to listen to your lecture series, but we were engaged with some other works in the department. Thank you for taking up the session. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome, madam. Thank you. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.